This chocolate truffle recipe requires 2 cups of high-quality dark chocolate, 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 egg yolks, half a tablespoon of vanilla sugar, half a cup of icing sugar, and half a cup of cocoa powder. For the filling, break the chocolate into small pieces and melt them in a double boiler. Gradually add the butter and mix. When the butter has melted in the chocolate, remove the pan from the heat, add the egg yolks, icing sugar, and the vanilla sugar. Mix everything well. Put it in the fridge for at least an hour so that it solidifies. Then, powder an area with cocoa for making pieces. You can roll them into any shape you wish. Next, melt a vault of chocolate for dipping. Dip, sprinkle, and refrigerate for a chocolate-covered shell. Serve at room temperature for a more gooey center.